Deal or no deal? Instead of suitcases, we're opening up tariffs or not. Market is rallying on some trade news, and we have Peter Tuchman here to tell us the news. Hi, Peter. Thank you for joining me. Busy day. What just came out of the White House about China?
So spokeswoman Sanders said that China has indicated they want to make a deal. So you know what? Look, that is still not etched in stone, but this market has had 2 days of severely under pressure. Stocks yesterday was quite an evisceration of the market. I think in a lot of ways it was about 10-to-1 volume, sell side to buy side, all on the trade, tariff, China question, anxiety, whatever. So with any inkling that we will make a deal, you've got to just wonder. Normally, I think historically and normally, economic deals and things of such global economic nature should be disseminated in a more coherent fashion. I kind of think we're not seeing that, in this administration. So what you're seeing is great volatility in the market. I mean, it's hard as a trader to trade that, not knowing what we came in after a Friday where the market was off to the races. It felt strong. It felt like it was never going to go down like it did in September. And then we had this negative narrative on a tweet coming out of the White House. It took the market down on Monday and Tuesday. And now we've got this positive news coming out. So yes, if you're a trader, it's hard, it's fun, it's volatile, it's crazy. What is the reality of all this? I don't think we will ever know until this is etched in stone, if that's the case. But for today, right now, we're in rally mode. It was a spike. It was a headline. And this market has a history of recovering from negative headlines and selling off on positive headlines. So we'll take it a minute at a time.
And it all has to do with trade, literally, between the U.S. and China while you guys are trading down here. Any other news that you're looking forward to, perhaps this IPO from Uber?
So look, we have so far this year, the IPOs we've had on the New York Stock Exchange have been successful. Jumeirah, we had Pinterest, they've opened, there's been a lot of interest. After the government shut down, there was sort of a hiatus of IPOs, but now there's really money being put to work. We had one this morning that Parsons seems like it's acting all right. And then we have Uber, 200 million shares. Right, this is a big deal. Once again, it's a business model that does not make any money, so that is a bit curious. We're hoping there are not a lot of headwinds off the Lyft IPO, which did not happen here at the stock exchange. It happened on NASDAQ, so I don't have much anything positive to say about that. Burn that one. Boom, goes the dynamite. But anyway, there's a lot of hype about it, right? It's going to be a huge IPO. There's a lot of interest, and we're super excited about it.
All right, Peter. Well, thank you so much for the news. I hope you have a wonderful day.
You too.